Okay, let's try this problem for you to practice. Edwin had a party. Midway in the party, half of the people left. A fifth of the remaining started to sing. There were 20 remaining who did not sing. How many people came to Edwin's party? Okay, before we can solve this, let us analyze the problem. Okay, Edwin had a party. Midway in the party, half of the people left. So the question here is how many people came to Edwin's party? So let X be the total number of people who came to Edwin's party. Then, midway in the party, half of the people left. So left meaning we are to subtract half. So half of X is X over 2. Then, a fifth of the remaining started to sing. So, the remaining of this is also X over 2. 1/2 of X. Then, 1/5 of the remaining. 1/5 started to sing. So, 1/5. 1/5 of the remaining, which is 1/2 or X over 2. Started to sing, and there were 20 remaining who did not sing. So some are singing while others are not, were not. So some were singing, the 1/5 of the remaining, while there were 20 who did not sing. So equals 20. These 20 are those who did not sing. So this is our equation to solve for X, the total number of people who came to Edwin's party. So X over 2, let us going to simplify. 1/5 times X over 2 is 1 times X. So it's just X. Then over 5 times 2, since this is only multiplication of fractions. So 5 times 2 is 10. Just multiply the denominator to the denominator equals 20. Then, so our denominators are 2 and 10. So we get the LCD as 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 times X is 5X over the LCD. The 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is 1 times X. X over 10 equals 20. Okay. So 5x over 10 minus x over 10 equals 20. So 5x minus x equals 4x over 10 equals 20. So next, so just cross multiply 10 times 20. So 10 times 20 is 200. So 4x equals 200. Then after that, just divide both sides by 4. So let's continue here at the upper right side. So 4x equals 200. Divide both sides by 4. So 4x divided by 4 is x. And 200 divided by 4 is 50. So our x is 50. So there were 50 people who came to Edwin's party. Okay.